think we can probably take it one step up and say it's for complete Sony. I mean, now I think it's the first time that we really see that we can give sort of the same level of experience in a mobile device as in a sort of fixed device when it comes to PlayStation or TV, for instance. So by doing this, we can try to leverage on our services that we have as a Sony company and make sure that we get the same user experience across our devices. So this is really making Sony a stronger player in this area. I'm really excited about it, and I think especially VoLTE and RCS is very close to my heart, since I have been dealing with that in my previous career as well, or previous life before Sony. And I think, I mean, VoLTE is really crucial for the operators to sort of continue their services and their line of what they offer. And I think we heard gentlemen now from Metal PCS talking about RCS, that RCS should really be the base for innovating on top of the IMS services that the operators or the vendors are providing. So I think, and we have started now a new work in GSMA, which is called API framework, that is really aiming at making sure that we standardize the API on top of RCS. So, for instance, game companies and so on can easily make use out of chat services or of the video share services, or in the future also for VoLTE services that sort of tie it into their gaming experience without having to bother about IoT and making sure that the voice or the chat is working as it should. We have a strategy moving forward and on which market we would like to be on, so on, and from that we also sort of, okay, then we probably need these bands, this amount of bands, and then we are pushing the chipset vendors, of course, to support more and more bands, and then in the end we are trying to sort of make it as few variants as possible and to sort of cope with as many markets as we can.